The objective of this lesson is to convert between fractions and decimals.
First, we're going to start by converting decimals to fractions. I've included the place value chart so that way we can remember the value of each place after the decimal so we can easily convert from decimals to fractions. Here we have 0.8. The 8 is in the place right after the decimal. As you remember, this is the tenths place. So this decimal is 0 and 8 tenths. So we can write this as the fraction 8 tenths or 8 over 10. So we just converted the decimal to a fraction. Now the last thing we have to do is simplify. I know that 8 and 10 have a common factor of 2, so I'm going to divide the numerator and denominator by 2, and I get 4 over 5. Therefore, 0 and 8 tenths is equal to 4 fifths. Now we're going to convert from fractions to decimals. I'm going to show you how to convert a fraction to a decimal in two different ways. The first way I can convert a fraction to a decimal is by using place value. If I can rewrite my fraction to have a denominator of 10, 100, 1000, or any power of 10, I can easily convert the fraction to a decimal. So, I have the fraction 3/4. I'm asking myself, can I convert this to a fraction that has a denominator of 10, 100, 1000, or so on? I know that I can make the denominator equal 100 if I multiply 4 by 25. Since I multiply the denominator by 25, I need to multiply my numerator by 25. I get 75 over 100. As you know, this fraction, 75 over 100, is the same thing as 0 and 75 hundredths. So my fraction, 3/4, is equivalent to 0 and 75 hundredths. Unfortunately, it won't always be so easy to find a number to multiply the denominator by to get a power of 10, 100, 1000, or so on. So there's another method that will work for any fraction. As you know, 3 over 4 is the same thing as 3 divided by 4. So to convert this fraction to a decimal, we can just divide 3 by 4. I have the division done. Notice that the numerator is the number being divided or inside the division house. Once I complete my division, I get the same answer, 0.75. Again, the second method also shows that our fraction 3/4 is equivalent to the decimal 0 and 75 hundredths.